Hey everyone, my name is Gabriel. I am a BMW genius here at United BMW in Alpharetta, Georgia, and today we're going to go over the Active Cruise Control. On vehicles with Driving Assistance Professional package, you actually get the Active Cruise Control, which is located on the left-hand side here of the steering wheel. To activate the Active Cruise Control system, you want to click the button on the bottom row in the center here. It has a picture of a car and a steering wheel icon on it. Hitting this feature here will activate the system for you. The car will actually steer itself and keep itself in the desired lane. The car will also maintain a safe distance from the car in front of you as well. You can actually adjust your toggle to your distance by using the minus and the plus buttons located here on the left and the right hand side here. The car will steer itself for about 10 seconds and then it'll gradually give you warnings to put your hands back on the steering wheel. The warnings will display here with these lights that'll light up green, yellow, and red. You'll also get a visual cue located up on the left-hand side of your instrument panel where you see that gray steering wheel over there. The maximum speed during the Active Cruise Control can still be adjusted by this rocker switch here, which you can use to increase or decrease your speed. Hitting it one time will increase in increments of 1. Pressing and holding up for a second click will increase in increments of 5. The mode button located at the bottom right will allow us to switch between different cruise control types. We can switch between our assisted driving mode, which will do everything for us, and our distance control, which will maintain a safe distance from the car in front of us, but will take off the automatic steering. In some cases, there is a third option that will pop up once the car reaches speeds below 40 miles per hour. That is called Extended Traffic Jam Assistant. In that case, the car works just like Active Cruise Control, except you'll get more extended hands-free time as long as you are paying attention forward to the road. There are cameras located right up at the top here of your instrument panel. As long as your eyes are positioned forward, the car will give you extended hands-free time. Once you made all your changes to your cruise control, you can then set the cruise control by hitting the set button located at the bottom left. You can always resume to the last cruise control setting you had, or you can also cancel the system up here as well. To turn off the system entirely, you can hit the button that you initially used to turn it on, which is right here on the bottom row in the center. Depending on when your vehicle was produced, you'll also get the assisted driving view, which you can see right here in the center instrument panel. It'll give you a picture of your car, and it'll also show the other cars around your area as well. You'll see them on the left and the right hand side. It'll display small cars, medium-sized cars and vans, large trucks as well. You'll also get the green lane detection whenever it is detecting the lane for you and keeping itself centered in the lane. And you'll also see your distance control located at the front of the picture of the car there when it is detecting distance. For your convenience, the head-up display will also show your currently selected Active Cruise Control settings. And that's pretty much it for the Active Cruise Control. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to stop on by or give us a call.